Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best steam cleaners that you should buy. Let's get started. First up is the McCulloch Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner. With powerful steam output and plenty of attachments to address a variety of cleaning needs, the McCulloch Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner is a versatile option that will meet most household needs. What we especially like about this steam cleaner is its mobility, thanks to the rolling wheels and 9-foot long steam hose. When paired with one of the 18 included attachments, you can reach high areas like ceilings or access deep crevices, for instance, between appliances with ease. Second on the list is the Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner. The cube-like shape of the 10.5 by 9.5 inch Dupray Multipurpose Steam Cleaner isn't the only thing that makes it unique. Aside from functioning in all the ways you would expect of a steam cleaner, kitchen cleanup, bathroom duty, wrinkle eliminator, this model is also a good choice for steam cleaning carpets. It's a great way to eliminate dirt, bacteria, dust mites, and other unwelcome inhabitants of your carpet fibers and uses no chemicals. Third up is the Bissell Steam Shot Deluxe. A handheld steam cleaner is a great option for small tasks both inside and outside of the home. The Bissell Steam Shot Deluxe hard surface cleaner weighs about 3 pounds but has a generous 20-foot power cord, giving you plenty of reach to tackle messes in the bathroom or kitchen or to banish wrinkles from clothing. The Steam Shot has a 6.6-ounce water tank, which is smaller than most steam cleaners, but in keeping with the petite size of this tool. Next up is the Shark Genius Hard Floor S5003D. For an affordable steam cleaner mop, check out the easy-to-use Shark Genius Pocket Steam Mop. With its low price and reusable double-sided cleaning pads, this mop will save you money in both the short and long term. Its swiveling Genius head delivers 3 levels of steam to freshen and sanitize your floors. A steam blaster option gives you the ability to send a direct column of steam to power through sticky messes or soiled spots. Last but not least is the Bissell 1544A PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet. With 2 modes of operation, the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is a versatile steam cleaner suited for any home, whether or not you have pets. The 13 included accessories include useful tools like bristle scrub brushes, a window squeegee, a grout cleaning tool, a fabric steamer, and more. This multi-purpose steam cleaner functions as an upright unit with a floor cleaning attachment and stretchy microfiber cleaning pads. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.